Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building another freight locomotive here, and we're going to be building this Carolina Coastal rebuilt GP9R locomotive. And this is what it looks like with a nice bright and colorful paint scheme. So let's get right into the build. So as usual, we'll start off with the rear coupler, so take out a dark oak stair and attach that up. Under it, we're going to put a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then on the next block forward, on the bottom, we're going to take black stone brick stairs, and we're going to go 5 wide with it, facing backwards. On the next layer, a black stone brick block in the middle, and 2 upside down stairs on either side of it, facing backwards. Then, above the rail here, open a birch fence gate, and then a dark oak fence gate above it. And do the same thing on this side, so a birch fence gate and a dark oak. Then come in front of this in the middle and do a 3 block tall T-shape of black stone brick block in the center. Put a torch on either side of this second layer. On this outer edge, we're going to put 3 quartz slabs like this, and then 3 on this side. Then in front of this, do a 5x3 of black stone brick block coming out to each side of the tracks here. Then come back here and put 3 upside down black stone brick stairs on this top middle, a dark oak fence gate on the center, come right here and crouch and put a sideways end rod here, and also 1 on this side. Now come in front of this on bottom and put a fence gate on each rail. In front of that, another 8 wheel on each rail. Then, in the middle, a deep slate tile top slab, then 3 wide in front of it, then 2 in the middle, then 3 wide again. Then 1 on the middle here, and another 8 wheel in each corner like this. Put a fence gate on the front of these 2 wheels, and also 2 fence gates on the middle of each side here and here. Then go through and put a hopper on the side of all 4 netherite wheels. Next, we're going to crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. And we will repeat on this other side. Then we're going to come up top with black stone brick block on the second layer, and we're going to come right down the middle, and we're going to come out 1 block past these fence gates on the end, like this. Then up here, a full row of dark oak fence gates, and then same thing on this side, a full row of fence gates up here. Then, on the next block forward in front of this, on the bottom, go 3 wide in the middle with black stone brick blocks, and extend that forward so it's 11 blocks long. So a 3x11 for the fuel tank here. Then on the side of this fuel tank, put a full row of upside down black stone brick stairs facing outward. And then same thing on this side, a full row of upside down stairs over here. Then on this second layer, start at the back and go 3 wide with black stone brick block again, and fill it into the front of this. So another 3x11 up here. Then come in front of this on bottom and put a fence gate on each rail right in front of it. Then in front of that, another 8 wheel on each rail. Then a deep slate tile top slab in the middle, then 3 wide of slabs, 2 in the middle, then 3 wide. Then 1 slab in the middle and another 8 wheel on each front corner. Then a fence gate on the front of these 2 wheels, and 2 fence gates on the center of each side like this. Then we're going to put a hopper on the side of the netherite wheels, and then a wither skeleton skull on each hopper. And then repeat over here. So a hopper on each wheel, and a wither skeleton skull on each hopper. Then we'll come up top with black stone brick block. Start back here and come right down the middle till you're aligned with these fence gates. On this side, add 1 block in this corner, and then a full row of fence gates up here to the front. And then on this side, just do a full row of fence gates across here. Now in front of this on bottom, we're going to do a 5x3 of black stone brick block coming out to each side of the tracks here. Then in front of that in the middle, a 3 block tall T-shape. Put a torch on either side of the second layer. Then on the outer edge, 3 quartz slabs, 3 on this side. In front of this on the bottom middle, 3 black stone brick stairs, and an upside down stair facing outward on either side. Above that, a block in the center, and 2 forward facing upside down stairs on either side of it. Then 3 upside down stairs on this top middle. Then take out a dark oak stair for the coupler, turn around and stack it up to this middle second block. then under it a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then we're going to open a birch fence gate above each rail, and then a dark oak fence gate above each of those. Then one fence gate on this top middle, come up here and crouch, and put a sideways end rod here, and a sideways end rod right here. Then come right here where this block is and put a bell. Then on the front of the fuel tank on each side, put a skeleton skull. Then behind that, a mangrove sign on each side. Behind that, we're going to do 2 dark oak fence gates here, 2 on this side. Then we're going to come on the bottom of the back of the fuel tank and put a string on this stair. And same thing on the other side, a string on this stair. Then come up here and do a row of sideways anvils coming across until it's sticking out over that string. And same thing on this side, start on the string and come across here with it. Then we're going to come up here and crouch. We're going to put a single deep slate tile slab on top of all 4 of these hoppers. Then we're going to come between the hoppers here, and we're going to put an upside down deep slate tile stair facing inward here, and 1 facing inward here, and then 2 blocks on the middle. Then we're going to put 2 fence gates on the center and 4 dark oak trapdoors on top like that. Repeat on this side, so an upside down stair facing inward here, and then here, 2 blocks on the middle. Then 2 fence gates here, 4 trapdoors here. And now we'll repeat the whole process on the back truck. So come up here, upside down stair here and here, 2 blocks in the middle. Then 2 fence gates, 4 trapdoors here. Repeat on this side 1 more time, an upside down stair here and here, 2 blocks in the middle, 2 fence gates, 4 trapdoors here. Then we got to come up top and crouch and get a single deep slate tile slab on top of all 4 of these hoppers. Then we're going to come out here and put a skeleton skull above all 4 wheels. Then come up here and crouch again, and we're going to put a sideways end rod here and here, and 1 here and here. Repeat for the front truck. So come out here, put a single skeleton skull above all 4 of the wheels. Come up here and crouch. Put a sideways end rod here and here. And same thing on this side. Then we're going to come up top on this 3rd layer, start at one end with blackstone brick block. And we're going to go 3 wide in the middle. And we're going to bring that all the way across the top of the locomotive. Just keep it coming here and bring it right down to the rear end. Then on this top outside edge, start in this corner on the upper hip box. And we're going to do a full row of smooth quartz slabs coming across the top here, end to end. And then same thing on this side, start in this top corner on the upper hip box and do another full row of smooth quartz slabs coming all the way across the top, end to end. And now the underframe's done, and we'll come up to the front. So we're going to come on top on this 3rd block in, change this one and this one to black wool, then do a pattern of 3 red concrete like this and make it 3 blocks tall. Then we're going to put 3 red stained glass panes on either side of the nose like this. Then we're going to come behind it, 1 block in from the outer edge on each side, and do 2 columns of 3 red concrete here, same thing here. On the top middle, we're going to do 4 red wool, and on this back one, open a mangrove trapdoor and take out the wool block. Come up here and crouch and put a red banner on the front of this trapdoor. Then we're going to come down on the side here, start here, and do 6 red shulker boxes, like this. Then here, do 5 red concrete. Then 1 red on the back, 2 quartz blocks, a mangrove door, and then a forward-facing door. Then 1 red concrete on the back right here. Then we'll do this side, so come over here, start down here, and we're going to do 6 red shulker boxes again, behind it a column of 2 red concrete. Then 4 red concrete right here, then 1 on the front, 2 quartz blocks, a mangrove door, and then a backwards door. Then a red concrete on the front here, then 2 black stained glass panes here, 1 white stained glass pane here. Come on this side and put 2 black stained glass panes in this gap. On the top, put 4 outward facing mangrove stairs up here, and same thing on this side. Fill the rest of the cab roof between the stairs, all with red concrete. Then 1 on the front middle, and a red stained glass pane here, and here. Then we'll come down here and crouch, and we're going to put 2 red banners over this side door, and then that hides that on the side view. And we'll repeat on this side, come over here, crouch, and put 2 red banners on this door as well. Then we're going to come back here, and we're going to put 2 ladders right here. Now we'll work from the rear end, so come back here on the 3rd block in, and we'll change this one to black wool and this one. Then a pattern of 3 red concrete, like this, then a layer of 3 white, and then 3 layers of light blue concrete. So it's 5 blocks tall and 1 light blue on that top middle. Then we'll put a red stained glass pane on the bottom of each side, then a white, and then 3 light blue stained glass panes on either side, like that. Then we're going to come in front of this 1 block in from the outer edge and do a full row of red concrete across the bottom, and we're going to bring it all the way up till it's just behind the cab here. Same thing on this side, start right here, and a full line of red concrete. Then we'll come back up behind the cab here, do a column of 3 red concrete here, 3 here. Behind it, a column of 2 on each side, and then 1 on each side. Then we're going to put a white concrete here and here, then here and here. Then behind this, a full row of white concrete down to the back. Same thing on this side, a full row of white concrete here. Then above that, start right here and do a full line of light blue concrete to the back. And then same thing here, another full line of light blue on this side. Then we'll start up here on each side and do another full line of light blue concrete all the way down each side till you meet up at the back end here. Then we'll also come up here and put 3 light blue concrete behind the cab across the top. Then up here, do 5 bedrock blocks down the center and 5 iron bars on either side of it. And we're going to repeat at the back, so come to the back, 5 bedrock in the center, and 5 iron bars on either side of this one. Then back here, we'll do a 3x4 of light blue concrete in front of this. And then start from the front and do a 3x4 of light blue concrete here. Then we'll put 1 on either side, 1 down in this hole, and a decorated pot here. Then take a dark oak fence gate, open 1 in the middle here, and then a sideways 1 behind it for the horn. Then on the center of this bedrock, a plus shape of prismarine slabs and a dead horn coral fan in the center. Same thing here, a plus shape of slabs and a dead horn coral fan in the middle. Then we're going to come back here with a jungle trap door, and we're going to close 1 right here for the brake wheel. Then here I realized I messed up. The cab roof is supposed to be white, so we're going to come up here and we're going to change these mangrove stairs to 4 smooth quartz stairs. And we'll do the same thing over here, change this to 4 smooth quartz stairs. Then in between here, we're going to knock out this 3x3 of the red concrete, and we're going to change that all to white wool. Sorry about that. Then we're going to come up here for the antenna, and we're going to put a lever going backwards right here. Then come on here, and we're going to cover the whole top of this nose all with red carpet. Then up here, we're going to do white carpet on the cab roof. Then right here, light blue carpet, and bring it back and around this span. Then get around the back of it, and keep your blue carpet coming back. And just keep it coming, get light blue down and around the horn. And then around this back fan, around back here, and all the way a T-shape on the back there. Then we're going to take black carpet, and we're going to come on this back porch and do a T-shape here. Then start right here on this corner and come all the way forward with black carpet, right up to here. Then we'll come up front and crouch, and we need to get black carpet on these shulker boxes. Then 2 here, a T-shape on the front porch, 2 here. Then 1 black carpet on this shulker box. Then come behind the cab and a full row of black carpet all the way across here, and bring it right to the back, right here. Then there's some vent detail on the sides, and for that we're going to use ladders. And we're going to come under these front iron bars, and we need to be 1 block down from it. And we're going to put 2 ladders here then skip 1 block back and 2 rows of 3 like this. Then back here, we're going to put 1 ladder here. Then we repeat on this side, so we're going to put 1 ladder here. Then we're going to come up under this mat, 2 ladders here, skip a block back, and we'll do 2 rows of 3 right here. Next, we'll do the railings, and they're all white on this one, so we'll use birch fences. Here come up 4, and then right here come up 3 over 1, and a 2x2 right here. Repeat on this side, so 4 here, up 3 here, over 1, and a 2x2 here. Put a chain across this gap. Then come right here, put 1 fence here, then up 1, back 1, up 1, back 1. Then come to this side, put 1 fence here, then up 1, back 2. Then we'll go to the back end with our birch fence. We're going to do a column of 4 right here, then right here, 3, then over 1, and then a 2x2 here. Repeat on this side, so 4 here, 3 here, over 1, and a 2x2 here. Then we'll put a chain across this back gap. Then come right here on top, connect your birch fence up right here and start bringing it forward all the way up this walkway. We're going to stop 1 block behind the cab right here and put 1 on the top like that. Then we'll come to the back end of this side, connect your fence up right here, and start bringing it forward up this side. Then up here, when we get right here, we're going to come up by 2 and forward 1. Now we'll come detail the nose, so come up here with a glow item frame. And we're going to put 1 here and 1 here with a frog light on them. Then we'll do the headlight, so we're going to come up on the top middle here, and we'll put a glow item frame with a frog light up on the center up here. Then on the side of that, we're going to do a birch sign with our number, which is 4624. Same thing on this side. And then we'll hit it with white dye and a glowing sack. Then we're going to come down and detail the back end, so we'll come back here. Right here, a glow item frame with a frog light in the middle, and then a birch sign with 4624 on the side of it. Then another one on this side. Hit them both with white dye and a glowing sack. Then we're going to come down here and put a glow item frame with a frog light here and here on each side. Then under this left hand sign, we're going to put a birch fence gate, a warp fence gate, and a warp fence gate above it. Now we need to make a banner, so come into a loom, red banner and light blue dye, and put 3 horizontal stripes across it. So on the top, bottom, and middle. And then we're going to come up and place these. So we're going to come right here, and we're going to put 2 mangrove signs here, and then next to that we're going to do 4 of these banners like that. Then we'll come on this side, we're going to start under this iron bar, 2 mangrove signs, and then 4 of the banners. Then we have 1 more banner to make, so we're going to come into a loom with a black banner and red dye, put a border on it, and then make the bottom half red. And this is for the cab window. So come up here, put 1 on the back here, and come on this side, 1 on the front here. Then we'll do the interior, so come inside here, and we're going to open this up and go inside. We're going to put frog lights in the bottom for hidden lighting, and then at the same level of the door, fill this whole floor in with smooth stone slabs. Then on the back middle, 2 blast furnaces, then a stair here and here for seats. On the front middle, a block of netherite with 2 levers for the control stand. And now the interior is all completed here, and we can come back outside. So there we have it, folks. We finally completed our Carolina Coastal GP9R Locomotive. I hope everyone enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.